In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to improve your click-through rate with topics. Fast and easy. Leveraging Google Trends can be a powerful way to understand search trends and refine your content strategy for maximum impact. So let's dive in. First, head over to Google. Search for Google Trends. Once you get the search results, click on the first link. This should direct you to the Google Trends homepage, an indispensable tool where you can see what's trending worldwide in real time. Next, when you're on the Google Trends homepage, locate and click on Explore. This will lead you to a more detailed section where you can dig deeper into specific trends in various areas or nations. Now, the core of using Google Trends effectively for your content strategy is to start by entering your core topic. Think about the main idea you want to focus on, or a keyword central to your niche. For instance, if you're in marketing, you might consider email automation. If lifestyle content is your gig, home office setup could be your focus. Enter your chosen keyword and hit Enter. This will take you to a new page where magic happens through applicable filters. You'll see options to tailor your search by location. You can select your city, state, or even a specific region that matches where your audience is based or where you're interested in targeting. Additionally, set the time range depending on what you're after. The last 12 months is great for finding perennial topics, while shorter timelines, like the past 30 to 90 days, might catch those emerging or short-lived trends. Choosing the right category, such as health or medical health, is important if you want only the most relevant results. Make sure to select web search for general trends. Meanwhile, news search is perfect for uncovering trending topics or regulations in medical fields. Now that your search is refined, analyze the interest over time graph. You can switch between past 12 months or even expand to the last 5 years for a broader picture. Be on the lookout for steady upward trends. These are evergreen topics you'll want to cover, as they promise consistent traffic. Similarly, sharp spikes in interest suggest hot topics with the potential for viral engagement. As you scroll down the page, explore related queries and topics. This section sheds light on broader trending ideas and more specific keywords or phrases. Pay special attention to rising or breakout queries, as these indicate queries that are gaining significant traction and therefore can enhance your content's click potential. Finally, you have the option to compare multiple topics using the plus compare feature. This allows you to test 2 to 5 potential topics side by side, prioritizing ones with the strongest search interest and growing trends. By following these steps, you're well on your way to honing a content strategy that leverages real-time data to captivate your target audience and improve your CTR significantly.